make fruit salad. See and watch. First we have to take. Okay, you can take whatever fruits have you home. You can do vegetable salad or fruit salad. We are going to do fruit salad. I take guava, mango, banana, apples, and some pomegranates. We have to have one honey bottle. We're going to do. Okay, first we have to take these fruits, put in this bowl. I put all the fruits. We have plate. You smell mango. Still mango has have here. You have to take a hand of mango, put it. Now we have to put pomegranate. And we have to take a spoon and mix it. You have to mix one time. Then we have to put a honey, one drop. You have to take this and pour it. Or one more time. Enough, I think. Yeah, and we have to mix it 4 times. Then we have to mix it. We have to wait till fruit salad. Then we have to take a bowl. Put fruit salad.
And I've been counting down